Welcome to Anish News Capsule. This is Geeta Jagadish. We'll see the news of this week. Indian economy on recovery mode. High frequency economic indicators have been pointing towards a sequential recovery in the economy. Things are already becoming better. The Indian economy bottomed out in the April-June quarter and has started a process of sequential recovery with gradual removal of lockdown restrictions. The newly constituted committee noted in its first meeting. The economy is expected to witness a deceleration in contraction. That is 9.8% in the September quarter, 5.6% in the December quarter, and enter positive territory, a growth of 0.5% in the March quarter. SEBI asks listed companies to disclose forensic audit info to exchanges. In order to address the gaps in availability of information, markets regulator SEBI has asked listed companies to make disclosures about initiation of forensic audit to stock exchanges. The listed entities will make disclosures about the fact of initiation of forensic audit along with the name of entity initiating such audit and reasons for the same, if available, to stock exchanges, SEBI said in a notification issued on Thursday. Torrent Gas to invest Rs 8,000 crore in a gas distribution infrastructure. Torrent Gas, the city gas distribution business arm of Ahmedabad-based Torrent Group, is investing Rs 8,000 crore over the next 5 years to create CGD infrastructure in the country. It has already invested Rs 1,050 crore in less than 2 years to set up 100 compressed natural gas stations and is targeting to set up 200 CNG stations by March 2021 and 500 CNG stations by March 2023. Torrent, a relatively new entrant into city gas and PNG distribution, has now authorization to operate in 32 districts across 7 states, that is Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Telangana, and in the Union Territory of Puducherry, covering 7% of India's population or approximately 9 crore people. Pandemic forced companies to turn to cloud-based services. TCS CEO Rajesh Gopinathan said the pandemic is pushing companies globally to move to a far more modern IT architecture, one that will make businesses more resilient. Cloud-based infrastructure strategy that provides adaptability, resilience and security. Government launches website to support R&D in coal sector. The government launched a website for entities involved in research and development in the coal sector. It has been designed and developed by Coal India subsidiary Central Mine Planning and Design Institute. It also has lists and outcomes of complete projects and ongoing researches to have a transparency and avoid repetitive nature of projects. The website also contains identified thrust areas for future coal research, keeping in view the future needs of the nation. Commercial buildings cannot be developed on waste management sites, NGT. The National Green Tribunal rejected a plea filed by Delhi State Industrial and Infrastructure Development Corporation, seeking review of its order that commercial buildings cannot be developed on sites available for waste management, saying there was no merit in the application. The tribunal also observed that waste management in the national capital is pitiable and citizens are facing worst air pollution and authorities have to provide land for waste management before considering use of available sites for commercial purposes. Mercedes-Benz may assemble electric cars in India. German auto giant Mercedes-Benz may well move on to assembling electric cars in India, the first for a luxury car maker, as the company wants to take benefit from the lower GST rate of 5% for green cars. It makes sense to look at localization, but we need to look at a bigger volume, said Martin, MD and CEO, Mercedes India. India to become the third largest economy by 2050, Lancet. The Indian economy is set to become the third largest in the world behind China and the US by 2050 and retain the same position in 2100, a study published in the medicinal journal Lancet found by translating working age population of countries into scenarios for total GDP. Taking 2017 as the base year when India was the seventh largest economy, the Lancet paper said India will move up to become the fourth largest economy behind the US, China, Japan by 2030 and subsequently will overtake Japan in 2050. India is currently the fifth largest economy in the world, closely followed by France and UK. Bank stocks rise after RBI keeps repo rate unchanged. Banking stocks turned green in early trade today after Reserve Bank of India kept repo rate unchanged. BSE BankX rose 300 points after the RBI announced its monetary policy at 10 a.m. On BSE BankX, ICICI Bank, Bandhan Bank, RBL Bank, City Union Bank, HDFC Bank and Axis Bank stocks rose up to 3%. Bank Nifty too rose 2.27% or 519 points to 23,708 on BSE. The index, which stood at 26,231 at 9:52 am, gained 297 points to hit intraday high of 26,528 after the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das announced the Monetary Policy Committee decisions today.